What's up, beautiful people? Welcome back to another video. If you have not already, please like, comment, share and subscribe. Okay, so without further ado, let's get into the video. Here we are choosing our style of windows. For me, it's always best to stay simple when choosing your windows because you can always go ahead and style with your curtains and your rugs and other decor. Next, we will change our floor color to style that we prefer. To resize your furniture, you click on it and click size, then you drag it to suit your desired width or height. To add a photo now to your room to give it that look of clothes being in your closet, you click on the furniture to add furniture at the bottom. Then you will click on the furniture and you will click size, change size. And then we add our desired height and width. Then we continue to do this for all other corners that we would like to place our closet. Here we will add our island for our closet. We click on base cabinets. You can change the color by clicking on the item and choosing. Going through each of these colors, you can choose which one you desire to use. Here we are going to choose our light fixture. We click on it and more will come up. We click replace when we click on the light, and then more will come up, and we just choose which one we would like to use. Here I am just going through clicking on all that I liked, and then I will just go here and click undo until I come to the light fixture that I really would like to use. To change the size and the height of our light, we just click it and click on size. Now we can add in our recessed lights. To just add them in, we click on the same add furniture button and we just copy and paste each one. We clone each one to the position that we would like it to be in. Here I wanted to go ahead and use a glass, but I decided to use a window to give it that look like a glass to see through the closet upon entry. So I went to add furniture and I searched for windows, and again I used a simple window so that it can look like a normal glass. Click add to room and I just applied it onto the interior wall that I wanted it to be on. Then I just clone it so that I can take another window over onto the other side to give it that complete look. Now all we have to do is resize these windows to suit the height of the wall and the width of the section of the wall that we would like the glass to be on. Again, I wanted to just add some lights, so I clicked on add furniture again, and I went into the section where I would see scones. Now I'm going to change the ceiling. You can leave it as how it is, but I decided to change mine to give it that finished look. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope that it helped in many ways. Please stay tuned for our room tour at the end of this video.